Hi, this is George Ray with Evolve. This is the new NovaStar VX6s, a 6-input, 3-layer, multi-window, scaling LED processor. The VX6s features 6 digital inputs, 2 3G inputs, 2 DVI inputs, 2 HDMI inputs, has 6 LED outputs, for a total pixel capacity of 3.9 million pixels. If you are processing LED for very fine pixel pitch, 2.5 or smaller, this is the scaling processor you need. The VX6s also features a DVI out for a true preview, which is on the desktop behind me. All of your presets show up in preview before you take them live to screen. On the front panel, you have instant selection of all your 3 separate windows. You have all of your input selection plus instant preset selection. You have a USB control port on the front and a front panel display which shows you your 3 layers, which inputs are active, all your output connections to your LED, whether they're main, backup, whether the backup has been enabled, the control features, the resolution of your LED wall, and your refresh rate. On the laptop, I'm running the new VCAN software, which is the control software for the windowing features of the VX6s. In the software, you have full access to all of the inputs independently. There is no restriction on which input can be switched to which other input. All 6 are always available. Another unusual feature of the VX6s is a USB playback. It actually has a built-in media player. Plug a thumb drive into it. There is a list of codecs available from Evolve or from the NovaStar website. And there is an actual media player software embedded in the hardware that allows you to loop clips, play single clips, or play a playlist, either a one-shot through the playlist or looping. This is perfect for exhibition booths, for walk-ins, walkouts, lobby exhibits, any place where you want to have unattended playback for long periods of time. In the software, you have 16 presets available. So these are true presets that you load into preview. So I'm going to click the load button, load it into the preview monitor. The monitor behind me changes. That's hooked up to the monitor output. I hit the take button and that will dissolve or do a wipe or a couple of other custom transitions. So there's cut, dissolve, and your standard horizontal, vertical, and diagonal wipes with multiple timing. Every layer, the entire screen transitions at one time, so you don't get multi-layer transitions. Configuration of the VX6s is done through Nova LCT. For your LED, configuration of the windows is done through VCAN. I'll do another transition here to a different set of inputs in different windows. Load the preset, hit the take button, and I get to see everything in real time on the preview monitor before it goes to my display. For small room applications, simple scaling, and also for upscaling. So all the inputs are HD 1920 1080 2.3 million pixel as far as the input limit, but the scaler outputs up to the full 3.9 megapixels. So if you're doing a 16-foot by 9-foot 2.5 millimeter LED wall using, let's say, the Epson Polaris 2.5 Pro, that wall has a resolution of 2000 pixels horizontally by 1200 pixels vertically. It exceeds the capability of all of the smaller processors. However, the scaler in the VX6s will upscale your HD content, either 3G SDI, HDMI, or DVI, to fill the full screen. To go full screen using VCan or using the front panel, a single button press on the scale button automatically scales window 1 to full screen in one press. Simple operation for your operators. Reliable. This builds on the heritage of the VX4s as a bulletproof, very reliable, very stable processor, and adds new features. It's 1RU high. Yes, it's a real 1RU high. It's not a 1 and a little bit. They have shrunk the vertical height so these do fit in a standard 1RU rack space. 110 or 208 operation, 6 RJ45 outputs. We will do another video in the coming weeks covering just the playback software. But for now, if you are looking to drive high resolution, low pixel pitch LED using a single source, especially if you have legacy HD content, the VX6s will upscale or downscale to fit any NovaStar product. Thank you and have a great day.